Foam rolling the thoracic spine. Lay back on top of your foam roller. Make sure you're not rolling on the lower back, but staying in the middle back, just below the shoulder blades, in between the shoulder blades, and maybe slightly above the shoulder blades. Roll up and down, searching for any tender areas. Once you find one, hold. Take 4-second breaths in, 4-second breaths out. Wait for the tenderness to release. Once it does, you can go searching for another knot. You can also roll if you need to focus on one side of the spine versus the other. I recommend that you roll and isolate that specific area. If this is hard on your neck, holding your head up, then you can hold your hands behind your head. To expose more muscles from underneath your shoulder blades, you can also give yourself a hug, which then opens up the shoulder blades, exposing more muscles that you can address with your foam rolling.